So this book is called We Need Rain. Why do we need rain? Now, Miss Nicole, when I go outside, I don't like the rain because then I get all wet and I have to use an umbrella. But this book says we need rain. So let's see why. Flowers need rain. So flowers need rain so they can grow. Trees need rain so they can grow. Who else needs rain? Animals need rain. Like these birds. Look, they're giving themselves a little bath from the rainwater. Gardens need rain so these beautiful flowers can grow. Farms need rain. And parks need rain. So everything in the ground, like the trees and the grass and whatever plants they have in the farm, it helps them grow. We need rain.